Hi friends, welcome to TechSide Studio. Today I would like to discuss on Kafka setup in local environment. So agenda for this discussion is installation of JDK and second one is Kafka installation. As it is prerequisites for installation of Kafka is JDK. Okay, let's go for installation of JDK. So for this I download JDK from this path. I have already saved this one. I will show from where we need to download. I have downloaded already. Yeah, here this one Windows x64 installer in exe format I have downloaded and already installed that one. Let me show that also. Yeah, this is the exe file I have downloaded and even that is I installed also. So I will show the path where the files are available. It is there in C, program files, Java, JDK. So this is the JDK version installed here. That's mean here the installation part is completed now. So after that we need to set up the environment variable file JDK in order to test even whether it is installed properly or not. So let's go into the environment variables. So here I have already configured. Usually, like when we want to add new min, we can add here. But I already added this one under Java Home. The path I given where the JDK is installed. That path I given here. C program files Java JDK, and even this path also. So this path also I given this JDK and bin folder I given basically this here. So I can show that path also JDK up to bin. Yeah, up to this path I given there in environment variables. That's it. Even we can go and now see for check whether if the installation is done or not. So Java minus version it will give the installation details. Yeah, it is installed Java version 17.0.12. Okay, done. So now we go for Kafka installation. So for that also I have a link to download. This is the link from the Kafka site. Yeah, from this I have downloaded this one binary download latest one 4.1.1. So this Kafka 2.13-4.1.1. This one I have downloaded already. I can show you where it is in download folder. Yeah, this is I have downloaded. Let me extract this one to the C folder. So I am extracting into C. Let me go into C folder here. Yeah, this is the one. So let me change this folder name to Kafka, removing these digits. Okay, now Kafka is, I mean, the files are installed, and then we need to change in config file in server. We need to add a line in order to work this Kafka server. So let me copy that one. I have already. So this line we need to add. So after this line, okay. So now I have added this one, And also for logging the information, we have path here. That also we need to change here. Log, yeah, this is the one. So now I am giving path is C colon. So now whatever the information, log information is stored in this path. I'm saving this one. So yeah, even for this also we need to set the environment variables. Let me show that also. So this Kafka home I given C colon Kafka, and path I given Kafka home slash bin. So I can show these paths. This is variable I given and the path I given for up to this one. This is the one I given C colon Kafka slash bin. Okay, so that is about environment variable setup for Kafka. Then I changed modification in the Kafka server. Let me show that one where I changed again. See Kafka config and server. So this is make sure you need to add this in order to run the server. So this line I have added, and the same I have added the path for temp files. This is the one. Okay, that's it. Then let me open the command prompt. Yeah, it's there already. So let me move into the Kafka bin and Windows. Sorry. Okay. So now I am into Kafka bin Windows. So here we have batch files. Let me show what is there in that. See Kafka bin Windows. Here we have set up batch files are there in order to work with Kafka. So in that now I am using Kafka storage. First we need to create the cluster ID. For that I am using this batch file. Storage batch, and then we need to use this one random.uuid. It will give the cluster ID. See now we have cluster ID. Let me use this one, because using cluster ID we need to format the log file. So here I have, yeah, this is the cluster ID. We need to replace it, and I would like to now format the log file for storage path. Log file storage path, basically we need to format it. So taking this code and yeah, now this code will useful for formatting the file path using the cluster ID. This is the cluster ID we created by executing above command. This is the cluster ID. Now I am using this cluster ID in order to format the path. So we should get the message like formatting done like that for that file path. Yes. So formatting metadata directory. This is the path where we changed in the server for log files. Okay, that is formatting done. Now we need to start the server. Kafka server start. So we need to start this server now. Let me see this text. This is only. So sometimes it will do the issue. Yeah. So now the server started. So we need to remove this one minus C. So it is taking this is the syntax. Okay. Now the server started. So now the next one is creating topic. So we need to create the topic in the Kafka server to store the messages. So for that, I'm tweaking this syntax. So partitions three replication factor. These we can discuss later. Basically, in topic again, sub we can go for partitions three. When one topics go down, it may replicate. That we will at present. So open other command now because now this is existing one is for running this server we kept it and now in this bin. So to create the topic, we have Kafka hyphen topics that batch file is there under Windows folder. When we see here in Windows, this is Kafka hyphen topics batch file is there that we use to create the topic in this server. So create topic, then this is the name of the topic. So my first topic is the name of the topic, and again where we need to create that topic, this is the location server. So I am keeping this instead of IP address, I give a localhost. So 9092 is the port where the server is running. So now it will create the topic, my first topic. See, created topic, my first topic. So then I use the producer in order to send a message to the topic. So for that also we have a batch file is there in same Windows path. Kafka console dot Kafka console hyphen producer dot batch. Then here topic, I need to choose topic. Name is my first topic. Then I need to give the server name. This. So now I am planning to move data to the topic by executing the this command. So this consumer can able to send message to the topic. See here. Now from the consumer sending message, hello, that is one message. Welcome to. So now consumer placed two messages in the topic. Okay. Now let's go to the producer. Now producer placed two messages into the topic. So whoever sending messages, those we say like producer. So now consumer can consume these messages. Let's open other command prompt. So I will create the consumer there. So we have a batch file for consumer, console consumer. Here we need to select the topic from which we need to pick the messages. The consumer need to pick the messages from the topic. My first topic. Make sure you need to give same name here. Topic, my first topic. This is the one we need to give. Then we need to fetch the messages from beginning. Beginning means like topic having number of messages, but this consumer now want to capture all the messages. So for that, using from beginning in Bootstrap server localhost. So from this server, we are fetching data from the beginning. So let me whether we given correct syntax. Consumer topic, my first topic from. Okay, before Bootstrap, hyphen is missing two hyphens. Let me. Yeah, we need to have. Yeah. Now we should get two messages. Hello and welcome to TechSize Studio. Those messages we should receive here. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, we got it. Hello, welcome to TechSize Studio. Now we have consumer. This one received from the topic, and even here this producer placed the message into the topic, and we have this is a server, it is running. So this how we communicated like Kafka server by sending message from producer, and again same messages we received from beginning from the uh, Kafka server using the consumer. So this is a simple even testing point of view, like the producer and the consumer point of view communication using the message broker, like this Kafka. So in real-time situations, we go for create the .NET service, one producer, and the same time the other consumer. It may be one consumer, number of consumers has different services. It may be .NET or other services. Those can use for consuming the data from the topic from the server. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching this video. So please subscribe the channel if you like it. So share to anyone so that it helps to others. Even so, it helps to grow my channel also. Thank you.